I'm Suraj Kancharla, a solo traveler and a firm believer in sustainable and impactful travel. I travel to offbeat remote places to experience the local way of life. As a social entrepreneur, I've traveled to remote Himalayan villages and work on projects that support community empowerment. Some of us have an insatiable desire to travel, including me, which can be fulfilled. But at what cost? Achieving a zero carbon footprint under these current conditions as we know it is impossible. That means not to travel at all. But as travelers, we need to be mindful and make conscious choices to reduce our harmful impacts. While I was traveling across India, I picked up a few tips along my journey and would love to share it with you all. Whether you're hiking up a soaring mountain peak or walking in a lush rainforest, carry your own water bottle. Don't buy those plastic bottles. Carry a small bag to collect all your trash, or even better, pick up some of the trash along the trail. Just do not litter. Follow a strict leave no trace policy and police your friends on it. Limit your interaction with the wildlife. Don't feed them your processed foods. Remember the word coexist? That's right. Don't bother them, even for Instagram. Poor things are just hanging out in their natural habitat. Discourage the unethical treatment of natural life. Don't take that animal right. They're treated inhumanely. It's time we rethink the way we travel. Avoid air travel whenever you can. If air travel is unavoidable, try offsetting your carbon footprint by supporting organizations that are doing some amazing work in offsetting those carbon emissions. Choose to travel by a train or a bus or a motorcycle, or even better, a bicycle. Opt public transport whenever you can. And in some remote places, public transport isn't even an option. So maybe you can hitch a ride or take a road trip. And if you plan on taking that road trip or hiring a car, rent an eco friendly car. The best way to explore a new place, in my opinion, is to get around by foot or a bicycle. It's slow and you can experience the essence of the place much better. Travel supports communities we visit and has a vast potential to improve their lives and yours too, for that matter. So, prefer staying in local homestays. Contribute to their livelihood while you're enjoying an authentic experience for yourself. Choose local produce and locally available products. Stimulating local supply chains have a profound impact on local economies. That's only going to drive sustainable development in those places. While you're at it, be mindful of your consumption. Support local artisans and buy artifacts directly from those artists. And hey, don't forget to carry your own shopping bag or just your backpack. All that waste and pollution we generate are an incredible strain on local waste management systems. It also makes those destinations less attractive and impact local lives and the wildlife there. So dispose your trash properly. And in remote places, waste processing is non existent. So I recommend bring all your trash back to your hometown. And if you live in a city, the waste processing here in a city is far superior than the ones there. You can alert local authorities about pollution when you see it, and if you find negligence on their part, voice your opinion on social platforms. We should help educate the locals about the harmful impacts of pollution. They're the most vulnerable and are going to face the brunt of it. Lastly, like I mentioned, leave no trace. Leave a place better than you found it, or at least leave it to be the same. Happy travels, guys.